my beauties, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm bringing to you a review from a product I bought from Dollar Tree. I am planning to do more videos like trying stuff from DHK, AliExpress and stuff, but I ordered some stuff like 10 products, and you know it takes quite a bit to get here. So yeah, I ordered it like 2 weeks ago, so it might be coming like in 2 more weeks or so. Some stuff come in 3 weeks, some stuff come in 2 weeks. So look at my lips. This cold over here in New York don't play, mama, it don't play. Because look at my lips, they're all cracked, all, you know, a disaster. But whatever, if you want to see what is it that we're going to review today, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, share this video, and let's get started. So I went to Dollar Tree a couple of weeks ago and I picked up this Sili sponge beauty blender. You know, those Sili sponge that were like really popular last year. Yeah, so I had a long time I didn't go to Dollar Tree, you know. I never like really bought the real one because I don't know, I feel like it's not gonna blend my foundation really good. So I don't know, let's see. This is a Revel something, I don't know. Got it for $1 in Dollar Tree, and actually the packaging looks really nice, and 2 came inside the bag, so they look like this. They're really soft, like squishy. I don't know if this is gonna work. I feel like this stuff is gonna make my foundation look bad, I don't know, for some reason. So let's just start with the video. Today I'm going to be using the NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation in the color Barcelona. I'm not so sure about this Sili sponge. It's like not blending my foundation so good. So I'm not really feeling this Sili sponge because I don't know, I feel like it doesn't give coverage and it takes too long to blend as well. I had a feeling this is gonna happen. Oh no, 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 no. So, and look at my face right now. I can't even blend it out correctly. That's how it's looking on the sponge. I'm not a fan of this. I don't like this. Oh, sorry Dollar Tree, but I do not like this. Yeah, I'm gonna remove this. I don't recommend you to buy this. I don't know if the real one is like this, but I don't think this one. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I didn't expect this bad review. I don't like giving bad reviews, but this is like my opinion, and I just didn't like it. So yeah, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and yeah, just stay tuned for the next reviews I order from AliExpress and DHK. So yeah, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.